Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to unlock the secret to the absolute best elegant hair combo in DTI, and it's perfect for looking like true royalty or red carpet star. If you want to know how to create this hair look, just follow my steps in here. So first, you can click on the bangs category and put on this bangs. Choose the hair color that you prefer. And then you can use this updo in here. This one is the same color, and for this one you need to use some adjustment. So for the positions, change the Z to 63 and rotate into 54 and adjust the scale to 47. And still on the feminine hair category, put on this curly hair to build into number 3 and use the same color. For this one, you need to also use some adjustment. Change the scale into 36 and position Y into 61 and adjust the Z to 63. Now click on the Updo hair category and put on this hair glitz into only bangs. Also this Updo, again only the bangs. Now click on the masculine hair category and use this hair. And that's it. So you'll get this final look for your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.